Good morning. We have both Ms. Krieger and Mr. Sadecki on Advanced Heating versus RKJ Hotel Management and Delta Detroit Metro. This matter is set for a pretrial today. Have you guys had an opportunity to speak to each other?
Yes, Your Honor. We did speak briefly before the holidays, and it did not, the information disclosed did not culminate into any progress at that point in time, just due to the fact of the defendant is a business, and because of the COVID has been shut down. And so it was a concern on whether the business is going to be up and running again.
Is there any benefit, Ms. Krieger? I didn't mean to cut you off. Is there any benefit in me putting you guys in a breakout room to have a conversation right now?
We can. I mean, I'm
Your
not
Honor,
opposed to anything like that.
That's not really going to help, because the one
Okay,
critical factor that Ms. Krieger is unaware of is our lender has filed a foreclosure action on the $25 million note. So there's bigger problems here than this collection.
so where does that put us with this?
Well, I'm in the process of negotiating with a third party and my client and the lender to try to resolve that. And that's going to take some time and some significant work. But, as you can imagine, the hotel's we tried to stay the course through COVID, and we only made it till August. And then the hotel was losing approximately $750,000 a month. And my client obviously could not sustain that. So we had to shut the hotel down. And we're in the process of trying to resolve the dispute with the lender. Dykema was representing the lender. Brian Moore is. I don't even believe my answer has even been filed yet. We're trying to get a receiver to take over the hotel, and we obviously don't want that to happen because they will destroy what's left of the equity in the property. We don't want that. So we're trying to resolve it.
No, I
I
understand.
think this is the only, to the best of my knowledge, Judge, this is the only collection case that is unresolved with the hotel, which is actually amazing when you think about it.
Right, I was thinking the same thing. I was thinking the same thing.
So it's not good news, but we've been working literally on a day-to-day basis with the lender trying to get this resolved, because it's a major issue. We don't know when we're going to open up, and we don't know when we do open up what the marketplace is going to look like.
Sure, obviously. No, I understand. So what?
Probably even the court. The airport's operating at 10% capacity, and businesses around there can't survive that. So.
Right. Ms. Krieger, well, so what do you want me to adjourn this out to see where it's at? What do you want me to do?
We can do that set it for a review date. But Mr. Sadecki, if you could disclose to me the case number and the just a copy of the caption, I guess. With the
it's public record. It's in Wayne County, but I'll get you the case number right now.
Thank you.
Do you think I should adjourn this out 2 months to give you? I mean, I don't know.
I think I'll know. I should know by then where that case is going. It's a 2020 case, April. It's 016-230-CB, and it's assigned to Judge Brian Sullivan. And Brian Moore at Dykema's Bloomfield Hills office is representing the plaintiff.
Well, can you just explain briefly what's up with the because there's construction going on at the hotel now. They're like making renovations and stuff for repairs. You know anything about that?
No, if they're doing anything, it's a repair because the hotel's closed.
Okay. So, Your Honor, are you just going to give us
I'm
a,
I'm looking at a March 9th date. So adjourning it to March 9th at 9:30, and then obviously if there's some movement and you want to do something earlier and you think that you have, some possibility, let me know. I could put it, I'm just going to put it out 60 days. And then if you need an earlier date, the parties can reach out to Civil and I can do it.
okay, that's fine. March 9th. And that's a 9:30 a.m.
Correct.
Got it.
March 9th.
Correct.
Jerry, do you have any objection going up 2 weeks to get your application rolling, or you want 1 week so you can
Anything else?
Not at this time, Your Honor. I appreciate the effort.
Yeah. All right. Well, good luck. And good luck, Mr. Sadecki. I mean, obviously,
Thank you, Your Honor.
we don't want to see
I
them go out of
presume that
business.
the
Yeah.
March 9th date's going to be a Zoom. right?
Yep, absolutely. From now on, even after this is over, we will continue by Zoom for civil pretrials
Good
Okay.
idea.
and various
Thank you.
other cases, but definitely this is our new reality, regardless of even when we get past this, because it just makes more sense not to make you come in.
Right. Saves time. Thank you.
Yep, you're welcome. Have a great day.
You
Mr.
too.
Landman, what case are you on? Are you here on the Huron Estates case?
I am, Your Honor, yes.
And then I thought I saw, I do. And Mr. Koss, I think he is.
He's the property manager, Your Honor,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah, I saw him yesterday on some cases. And we're waiting on Duran Crow to join us. It was set at 9:30, so I take a half hour to do the default. Good morning, Mr. Koss.
Good morning.
So we're waiting on Mr. Crow, and as I just indicated, that I give a half hour, just like if it was live, but before I
Okay.
would do a default. Ms. Krieger, did you have another case, or are you just?
Nope, I'm just
You're
finishing
just
up
being
here
slow.
on.
That's fine. I'm just checking.
Thank you.
Mr. Martone,
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
you're here on Melissa McGinnis,
Correct.
correct? And we're waiting on Trevor Daniel.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, I guess everybody just hang out and wait until we have some people show up.
Thank you.
Good morning, Mr. Groen. What case are you on?
I'm here for LVNV funding.
I
And,
have Miss Harrison on. Let me
Okay.
pull the file. Hang on 1 second and then we'll do it.
there's also another LVNV funding with Christina Clement, which looks like has opposing counsel on that one.
I will look that up in just a second. Let me
Okay.
go on with this. LVNV funding versus Linda Harrison. Miss Harrison, you are on,
Yes,
and this matter is set today for a hearing on an objection to a garnishment.
yes, I'm on, excuse me, I'm on disability through SSI. And they're trying to garnish my earned income credit when I file on my disability.
Mr. Groen,
As far as I know, the only thing we filed in terms of a garnishment was the tax garn.
okay. Okay, it's just.
Let me double check and make sure, but that's what I believe we did. 506.
Do you want me to put you in a breakout room with her so you can have a conversation with her and explain it to her?
That sounds great. I appreciate that.
Miss Harrison, I'm gonna start a breakout room. All you're gonna do is hit join. Hang on just a second. And then you can talk to him about the details of what's going on, okay?
All right,
Go ahead and hit join. Mr. Daniel, are you on Midland Credit?
No, I am on for Michelle Matuska, defendant.
Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. I see your name on that. I have another Daniel. It's another Daniel on another case. I have Mr. Martone that's on Melissa McGinnis versus Michelle ago. Is that correct?
Correct.
Gentlemen, have you spoken to each other?
Your Honor, we had spoken initially when we filed our complaint and answer. We were trying to see if there was a potential for any settlement discussions, but it
Do you want
doesn't
me
look
to,
like.
I can put the two of you in a breakout room right now if you'd like to have some conversation, just to see
Sure.
where you're at.
That'll work.
Mr. Daniel?
That's fine.
Perfect. All right. I'm going to assign you to breakout room number 2. Hang on just a second.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Good morning, Mr. Basant. What case are you on?
No, Judge, actually, I'm not here on an actual case that's assigned.
You're not here on an actual case?
Right. I have a client who was arrested yesterday by the airport police, and she was supposed to be at the arraigned this morning. So I don't know. Do you have a designated docket for the arraignments? Or
They send me, I'm actually working remotely today, but they send me, I'm doing a civil docket. And they're supposed to text me and then they send me the paperwork for any arraignments. I have not gotten any arraignments. Let me get your contact information. I'm going to go off of my live stream so that I don't put your personal contact information out to the world. Hang on one second.